Hello friends, and welcome back. Today, we are going to learn 100 of the most useful, most common English phrases that people use every single day. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and let these phrases become a natural part of your English.
Number 1. Good morning. How are you?
Use this to greet someone in the morning. Number 2.
What's up?
A casual, friendly greeting.
Number 3. Nice to meet you. Say this when you meet someone for the first time. Number 4. Long time no see. When you meet someone after a long time. Number 5. How have you been?
Asking about someone's life since you last met. Number 6. I'm doing well, thank you. A polite way to respond when someone asks how you are. Number 7. It's good to see you again. Warm greeting when you see someone after a gap. Number 8. What's new with you? Asking if anything interesting has happened in their life. Number 9. How's everything going? A general, friendly check-in. Number 10. I've been meaning to call you. You wanted to contact someone, but hadn't found the time. Number 11. Could you help me please? A polite request for help. Number 12. Can you do me a favor? Asking someone to do something for you. Number 13. Would you mind helping me with this? Very polite way to ask for assistance. Number 14. I need your advice. You want someone's opinion or suggestion. Number 15. Is it okay if I ask you something? Politely asking permission before asking a question. Number 16. Can you explain this to me? Asking someone to make something clear. Number 17. I'm not sure how to do this. Admitting you need guidance. Can you show me how?
Asking for a demonstration. Number 19. I could use some help.
Saying you need assistance in a casual way. Number 20. Thank you so much for your help. Expressing deep gratitude after receiving help. Number section 3. At work or school. Number 21. Let's get started. Signaling it's time to begin. Number 22. Can we schedule a meeting? Asking to set up a meeting time. Number 23. I'll get back to you on that. You need time before giving a response. Number 24. Please keep me updated. Asking someone to inform you of any changes. Number 25. I'll take care of it. Saying you will handle something yourself. Number 26. Could you send me the details? Requesting more information, usually by email or message. Number 27. I'm working on it. Telling someone a task is in progress. Number 28. Let me double check. You want to verify before confirming. Number 29. We're running out of time. Alerting that the deadline is approaching. Number 30. Well done. Praising someone for their work. Number 31. In my opinion. Introducing your personal view. Number 32. I think that. Sharing what you believe. Number 33. As far as I know. Sharing information based on your current knowledge. Number 34. I agree with you. Saying you share the same view. Number 35. I'm not sure I agree. Politely expressing a difference of opinion. Number 36. That's a good point. Acknowledging someone's valid argument. Number 37. I never thought of it that way. Saying someone gave you a new perspective. Number 38. I see where you're coming from. Understanding someone's reasoning, even if you disagree. Number 39. To be honest. Introducing a truthful, sometimes blunt statement. Number 40. You make a fair point. Everyday errands. Number 41. How much does this cost? Asking the price of something. Number 42. Do you have this in a different size? Looking for another size option. Number 43. Can I pay by card? Asking if card payment is accepted. Number 44. I'm just looking, thank you. Telling a shop assistant you don't need help yet. Number 45. Can I get a receipt please? Requesting proof of purchase. Number 46. Is there a discount on this? Asking about available offers. Number 47. I'd like to return this. Saying you want to give something back to the store. Number 48. Do you have this in stock? Asking if the item is available. Number 49. What time do you close? Asking for the shop's closing time.
Number 50. Keep the change. Telling the cashier they can keep the extra money. Number 51. A table for two, please. Requesting a table at a restaurant.
Number 52. Can I see the menu? Asking for the menu.
Number 53. I'd like to order, please. Telling the waiter you are ready to order.
Number 54. What do you recommend? Asking for the waiter's suggestion. Number 55. I'll have the same. Ordering what someone else ordered.
Number 56. Could I have the bill, please?
Asking for the check.
At the end of the meal. Number 57. This is delicious.
Complimenting the food. Number 58. Could we get some water? Politely requesting water at the table. Number 59. Is this dish spicy? Asking about the food before ordering. Number 60. Can I take this to go? Requesting a takeaway box for leftover food. Number 71. Where is the nearest bus stop? Asking for directions to public transport. Number 62. How long does it take to get there? Asking about travel time. Number 63. Can you call me a taxi? Requesting help to arrange transport. Number 64. Which platform does the train leave from? Asking about the departure platform. Number 65.
Can you help me?
Saying you don't know where you are and need help.
Number 66.
Is this the right way to the airport? Confirming your direction. Number 67.
I'd like a window seat, please.
Requesting a specific seat preference. Number 68. My luggage is missing. Reporting lost baggage. Number 69. What time does the flight board? Asking when to go to the boarding gate. Number 70. Could you take a photo of us? Asking someone to click a picture for you. Section 8. Health and emergencies. Number 71. I'm not feeling well. Saying you feel sick. Number 72. I need to see a doctor. Expressing the need for medical help.
Number 73. I have a headache. Describing your symptom.
Number 74. Call an ambulance, please. Emergency request for medical help. Number 75. Is there a pharmacy nearby? Number 76. I'm allergic to this. Warning about a known allergy. Number 77. How many times a day should I take this? Asking about dosage instructions. Number 78. I haven't been sleeping well. Describing a sleep-related health issue. Number 79. It hurts here. Pointing out pain to a doctor. Number 80. I feel much better now. Thank you. Saying your condition has improved.
Number 81. I'm so excited. Expressing enthusiasm and joy.
Number 82. I'm really tired today. Saying you lack energy.
Number 83. I'm a little nervous. Admitting mild anxiety.
Number 84. That made my day. Saying something made you very happy.
Number 85. I'm proud of you.
Expressing admiration for someone's achievement. Number 86. I'm so sorry to hear that. Expressing sympathy for bad news. Number 87. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. Comforting someone who is stressed. Number 88. I can't believe it. Expressing surprise or disbelief. Number 89. I miss you. Telling someone you wish they were there. Number 90. You mean a lot to me. Expressing how important someone is to you. Number 91. It was great talking to you. A warm way to end a conversation. Number 92. Take care of yourself. Wishing someone well as you say goodbye. Number 93. Let's catch up soon. Suggesting you meet or talk again. Number 94. I'll see you around. A casual goodbye. Number 95. Give my regards to your family. Asking someone to pass your warm wishes to their loved ones. Number 96. Have a great day. A cheerful farewell. Number 97. Keep in touch. Number 98. Safe travels. Wishing someone a safe journey. Number 99. It was a pleasure. Formal and polite way to say goodbye. Number 100. Until next time. A friendly, open-ended goodbye.